Welcome to the May 12th, our summary of May 12th trading day. Welcome.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thanks for welcoming me.
I may edit some of this out.
Yeah, I'm wearing a red t-shirt today. I wonder what that might mean.
Yeah, I should have worn a red shirt as well. I just don't have any because I'm not doing laundry during this circuit breaker.
Really?
No, I'm doing laundry, but it's just like, I'm pretty bad at it, and I'm just doing it like whenever I really need to do laundry. So I don't have any more red t-shirts or red shirts.
I notice you have a lot of blue, a ton of blue.
I have a ton of blue, a ton of white, because they're just easy to match with almost anything.
I think today's your turn.
It is indeed my turn. I was so happy when I went to bed.
Oh, great.
Because I'm not happy now. I looked at what happened in the market after I went to bed. Most of my moves are completely opposite of what the market did that I saw.
Why you were happy first last night when you looked at it?
So I was happy when I looked at it because a lot of my positions had moved in the direction I was hoping. For instance, the Disney put was moving, Disney was coming down, which I think Disney did actually come down more, which is great for me. The Uber put I had was also moving in the right direction. And then after I went to bed, Uber shot up like 5-6%. So that's probably now worthless. It was like...
Really?
Yeah, well, I got a notification. I haven't checked the price, so I don't know the end result. And then my other calls, I think all of the calls did badly. Because the market, like around midday, whatever happened, the market was like flat and kind of hovering up, and then it was like, 2% down.
Yeah.
So it was like 1% up and then 2% down by the time I woke up. So I woke up and I was like, WTF.
All right, prediction.
So my prediction, I was up around 750 when I went to bed. I think I am back down below the 700 mark. I think I'm right around 690 again today.
So no change yesterday.
I think there's basically no change because the Disney put did well and other things did badly. So I think there'll be a little bit of a balance.
Yeah.
Let me take a look. Opening my Robinhood app. I am very pleasantly surprised. I am up 4% to $728.
Amazing.
Nice little gain. Okay, the two things that saved me. My Disney put saved me hugely. Wow. So my Disney put gained 150% yesterday. So it went from being worth about 31 cents at market open to $1.53 at market close. So I went up $92 just in that.
That's amazing.
Yeah. Now I wish I'd bought another one. The other nice thing that saved me was my Wells Fargo put that I bought. Remember I said I thought it was going down. I bought one contract and that also went up by $30, which is about 50% yesterday. Everything else fell down. I did, though, make a couple moves. So I looked at Starbucks and I decided that I want to continue to be in on that. So I bought another call for $47 and that fell down to $35. So it lost $12 of value yesterday. My other Starbucks call, which is also lost like 30% of its value yesterday. These things are, the expiry is in June 19th. So actually I'm quite comfortable with these. I think they'll come up. And I think I bought another Walmart call.
Oh.
For $165.
Did Walmart go up a little bit?
No, that one fell. The current price is $146 for one option. I bought it at $165 yesterday. But my average cost is $170. So I bought it $175 and $165. Now I should maybe buy one more, but I don't think I have enough cash. So, yep, that is where I'm at.
Well done, Z. Glad to see that some of these puts are coming in handy.
Sticking to my bearish kind of thesis finally, for at least one day, given me some gains.
You're gonna sell the Disney put? You're gonna see.
Yeah. I think Disney still has a little bit of a ways to fall. So I may hold on to it. If it starts to rise back up, I will sell it. But I do believe Disney will fall back down into the 102, 101 range. That's kind of my target price for it. So, but if it moves too much, like say 20, 30% away from where it's at now, I'll probably sell.
Okay.
All right, on to you. I'm really curious. Yesterday was a little bit tough.
Yesterday was a very tough day, but I think that I will be. So yesterday I was like 559. I think that I'll be like 4.7K today.
Okay.
I actually tried to do one move yesterday, and I really hope it went through. Let's see. It's like loading, and the value, the numbers haven't like appeared yet. Okay, 4.95K.
A little bit less of a drop than you thought it would be. What was the big move downwards that you saw? How are your JD calls and stuff doing?
I just need to make. Yeah, I need to make sure I got that. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Good news.
Okay.
I could have sold it for a lot more. Damn it. Anyway, I'm down on a lot, I guess. Okay. Obviously, right now, still so much of my portfolio is tied to Zoom, right? So much. So I lost $400 on that. My Walmart call went down a little bit as well. My strike price is 125, expiring in like 2 weeks time. So I went down. Obviously, my SPY puts gained, so that was quite nice. I still have 2 SPY puts
going on.
What's
the strike price there? They're like 220 or they're 250?
I have 202, and I also have 250.
Okay.
Yeah, and so those went up. I think the one that gained quite nicely, and I'm let's see what my average price was. Okay, I might eke out. I might be able to like break even hopefully on this. My Virgin Galactic puts. So I have 2 of them. Virgin Galactic at 16.5, $16.50. It crashed yesterday.
Wow.
It really has been going down. It's exciting. So it went up to a high of 21, and then now it's 17.6. So it crashed 10% yesterday. Post, it's down 2.27%, down to 17.20. I'm getting close to printing.
Wow.
I love it. Zoom went down 3%, but Zoom. I think as long as these fears remain, I'm fine with Zoom. I think that it'll climb. It's just one of these really bipolar stocks that goes up and down, up and down, up and down.
Yeah.
But I think a nice day out of that. But what I'm really happy about, is that I sold my JD call that was due to expire this Friday at almost 3x what I bought it at.
Wow, that's amazing.
Almost. So I told you this is a big week for me for JD. Yeah. So I bought it at 1.23 a week ago, and I sold it at 3.38 today.
All of them, or just the one?
So I have 2 JD puts expiring this Friday. I sold 2 out of 3 last week.
Calls or puts? Calls. Okay, right. You had 3 total, and you sold the 2, and then you sold the last one.
I just got a little bit nervous about theta, so I sold 2 at like, I can't remember, maybe like close to 100% gain last week, and then I sold this week. So I'm still holding on to 3 JD calls for $50 strike price, but those expire June 5th, so I can let those run. Right. I'm gonna probably let those run through earnings.
Got it.
So that's the big thing for me.
That's really nice. Really nice to see some things gaining, and then the positions that you have remaining, you still have a lot of hope for them, and like you still believe in the fundamentals.
I do, and I'm excited because I managed to clear out like I have over $1,000 in cash now.
Yeah.
Just like because I sold that JD call, so I have my minimum cash buffer that I feel safe with. So I'm feeling pretty okay. Yeah. Famous last words. I'm feeling all right. So moves, what are you thinking?
Today, I'm almost out of cash. So I would like to sell some of these positions. Uh, I, I'll take a look today and I'll do some analysis on the Wells Fargo and where that price is likely to go. I'll also take a look at Uber, and if Uber is going to continue to climb, then I'm just going to sell this put that I have. So frustrating yesterday because it was like, I looked at it and I'm like, maybe I should sell it. And so yesterday it was up by a nice like 15%, and then it just dropped negative 20%. So this was pretty frustrating for me, that I could have sold it for like 3 times its current value, basically. I wouldn't have made money on it, but I've been kind of thinking about selling it for like days now.
Put, right?
It's an Uber put it's a $28 strike price. Uber is at $31 right now, and Uber can move quite a lot. So
wait, I'm looking at it right now. It only went up 2.4%.
So it was down 3% at the beginning of the day, down to $30.60.
Yeah.
And so my put went up in value quite a bit. And then in literally like an hour, it went from $31 to $34.
Yeah.
And actually, it looks like it's come back down.
Yeah.
So I might be okay tomorrow. And if it continues to drop, then hopefully I can sell it. Or I have 2 things to do, right? If I think it could drop another $3 before the 15th, which is Friday, then I'll just hold it and I can get my money back. Hopefully I can get it to being close to in the money. Otherwise, I can just hold it and have it expire, because right now it's worth $5 to me. So it's either going to be worth $0 or say $60 on Friday. So maybe I should just hold it, at this point.
It's worth $5 only right now?
It's worth $5. And
oh, wow.
If it can go into the money or very close to it, then it'd be worth 60. So maybe the better option then is just to hold till Friday and see if if the whole market comes down another couple of percent and Uber comes down a couple percent, then I will have made money. So maybe I just hold. Maybe that's a good idea. Other moves, I would like to double up on something, but I'm not sure what that would be. So I'm going to just continue to monitor all the current positions I have. I may try to then double up on my Wells Fargo put, as long as I continue to believe that Wells Fargo will continue this slide. It just doesn't seem to be abating. Over the last month, they've gone down 28%, and it just continues to fall down. So I may try to get another put on that if it continues to have that sentiment. Yeah, other than that, I don't really have enough cash to move. So unless I can sell something, then I won't do anything today except maybe buy one more Wells Fargo put if I can. Or we'll see. Maybe I'll sell this Disney put that I have if Disney doesn't look like it's performing that well.
Cool.
We'll see. Oh, Disney After Hours is down another percentage point.
Yeah.
So my Disney put should be very nicely positioned as of market open, as long as pre-market it doesn't jump back up.
Your strike price was 104.
Yeah, 104. So I'm in the money now.
Very nice.
How is your Disney call?
I didn't. It's not too expensive anyway. I bought it. Obviously it's down, but at least I have it. I bought it for so far out. I bought it for September. Just one of those ridiculously long.
But this is completely going to print money. Between now and September, there's going to be a time where it will be in the money and you can just sell it.
Yeah.
Almost without a doubt. Like Disney will not drop below $100 probably. At least I don't think so. I was looking at a little review of Disney yesterday, what percent of its business is from the parks and whatnot. And actually only about 35% of its entire revenue is from the physical parks. Now, granted, that completely destroys the earnings, but it doesn't destroy the company. right?
Yeah.
Like they're able to pivot and move a lot more into say the online streaming and whatnot and get more customers. I was looking at their online streaming platforms and how big it is, and they're actually now already half the size of Netflix.
Oh, wow.
I mean, that's only going to increase. They have about half the market share of what Netflix has, which is amazing given how short amount of time they've been in the game. So Disney has this huge brand appeal, and they may be able to get to Netflix level, say in the next year even, or year or 2 years. That's incredible.
Yeah, I mean, it's all about yeah, I'm very bullish on Disney. I'm just hoping it comes down a little bit more before I die.
Yeah.
But I feel like with streaming, the technology is pretty much commoditized. How well does it stream? What's the interface? Blah blah blah. But then at the end of the day, it's like, what do you want to watch? And that's where why you download or sign up for something. And as long as Disney holds on to all the Avengers and all those, like, they have all the cartoons, so all the kids will want to watch them, and they have. I mean, it's just a very strong case for Disney, basically.
Yeah.
I think it'd be cool if they get into some more like adult themed like movies as well. So far they've had very kiddie focused ones, right?
I think you'd be surprised because Disney has acquired quite a few companies. So they acquired Fox, for instance, all of Fox's streaming and media content, ESPN, Hulu. So they actually do have quite a bit of adult focused content. Even under the Disney platform, they have a lot of movies that are applicable. They just own the rights to so much stuff. Wasn't Lucasfilm acquired by Disney as well?
Yeah, they have Star Wars as well.
Right. So they just have so much content, and they won't license this to other platforms now that they have Disney Plus. So this is it's going to be a really strong play for them over the long term. I think over the next year we could see as much as a 50% bump up in price for Disney back to their highs of 150.
Yeah.
Like how long that takes, maybe fungible, but their business model fundamentally, I think, is pretty sound. Are you going to do anything else with JD?
Nope. I mean, I got rid of the only position that I felt a little bit shaky on. I feel very comfortable with JD. Well, actually, I think we'll learn a lot today because Tencent is going to report their earnings today, and Tencent is the biggest investor in JD. And I imagine that most of the transactions on JD happen over WeChat Pay because Alibaba is the competitor to JD. So I'm sure they allow Alipay as well. But I think I can get some clues into JD through Tencent's earning release today. Yeah, I think it's going to, we'll see. We'll learn a lot that way. But yeah, I'm feeling good. I don't know. Do I want to buy another SPY put? Potentially. To me, I feel like cash can be a substitute. A put can be a substitute for cash when you're riding this market right now.
Right.
Interesting thing. Last thing I'll add that's interesting is that the volatility is coming back up. Did you see that post in Reddit about the VIX? VIX?
No.
So VIX rose 20% yesterday.
Wow. Okay. That is fascinating. That kind of bodes badly for, or kind of signals potential bear signal, right?
Well, VIX is just volatility, right?
Yeah.
But it doesn't necessarily mean bad, right? It just means there's a lot of movement.
Yeah, that's true. Interesting. Well, it's great for option traders because it means things are happening.
Yep.
That's very exciting for us.
I agree. Okay, that's it.
That's it for me too. Thank you so much for watching today's episode of Ikkura Race to 100K. We had a really good time filming it, and we're going to continue doing this every single day. So please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below what you think that our next move should be in this market. Have a great day.